Hi there and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Gitlab. This is ticker GTLB. Now, Gitlab was an IPO in 2021 and just launched right near the end of the year, which, as we know, is not a great year for stocks because it it rallied for a few days and then ultimately crashed down with the rest of the market and just had a brutal 2022. This year, it's been okay and it hasn't been too extended, but if I zoom out here, you can see that Gitlab has a bit of a potential inverse head and shoulders pattern where we have one shoulder here, the head. And then maybe you could say this is another shoulder there. And so, a little bit of a pattern here. And it broke out just late November into December. And last couple of days, just kind of been pulling into support here. So what I would look for on Gitlab is a continuation of this pullback. I'd like to see it back test this move completely, maybe for the rest of the year. And then ideally bounce off of what looks to be a potential support zone and give you an entry off that level to get you into 2024 with a nice clean entry close to support. So you're not chasing this entry. You're waiting, and then looking for a clean bounce off of support, because this level at one point was clearly resistance. Resistance back here. And, as late as the beginning of December here. So that's what I would look for, a bit of a pullback and then a bounce opportunity to give you a low risk entry on Gitlab, ticker GTLB. So that's just one of many stocks that we're looking for entries on at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to see what else we're up to, take a 14-day trial and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.